Okay then girls, it's over to you this week. Take it away.
Hello Grumpy! Today we are making macarons and we are also making cheese ham potato pies. Wish us luck. If you were to say that.
And Olivia kicks the day off with the rest in the corner, or she could be watching the food mixer. We won't go through the ingredients, but rest assured the girls did all this on their own. Here's confidence for you with a meringue, only one way to do it.
Woo!
Nice one, girls. Macarons expertly piped onto the baking tray. And while they're in the oven, time to make the cream filling. Looking good. Looking even better. And look at those, they look fantastic. I just hope you've saved me some, girls.
Now having a break, it's lunchtime. Now we are making the pastry for our pies. I have nearly made breadcrumbs. I am now rolling up the pastry. We want it to be about 4 milliliters thick.
Boiling the spuds, good idea to chop them into 1 centimetre cubes. They cook quicker, no need to cut them up afterwards. I may have to watch myself here with these girls cooking. And then mix in the ham, cheese and potato together. A quick egg wash in the oven and here we go.
We are now finished cooking for the day. Here are the pies and the macaroons are in the fridge blooming.
And it looks like Olivia's been lumped with the washing up. Well, someone's got to do it, haven't they? Tell you what, girls, we'll have to do a cooking session together one day. Hope you enjoyed this one, guys. A bit different for this Sunday.